Do you think it is true? Let me tell you three reasons why it is just a conspiracy and a fake propaganda. Number one, almost 88% of the people more than the age of 12 years got fully vaccinated. Out of those, around 60% were from urban and metro population and 40% from rural population. Now, based on the calculation, considering urban and metro population, around 300 people from rural population and 250 million people from urban population got vaccinated, which means rural population should have the more probability of getting a heart attack. But it is not the case. Now, coming back to the stats of people getting heart attacks, which is more often in urban areas, especially in a certain demographics that is upper middle class to rich class in the age of 35 to 50. Now, this demographic is more prone to afford artificial supplements, injections, plastic surgeries, etc., which could be one of the major cause to their heart damage. Number two, there's a lot of lifestyle changes happen. We started doing remote work and regular physical activity reduced. Also led to less sun exposure and less vitamin D, which also eventually led to more mental health issues, stress, depression, and things like that. And we all know stress is a major cause of heart damage. Number three, you might all know very well about how vaccines work because we are getting it since we were babies. So any side effect of any vaccine could not last longer than 2 weeks. If those vaccine would be too strong, like anesthesia, the impact would be immediate. So I might agree on the fact that people who have it might have lesser immunity, more stress, or weakened organs. But the argument that vaccine leading to heart attack these days is baseless. So let me know your comments and share it with those who still believes that.